Hey guys, welcome back to Diamond Candy TV. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so you do not miss a post. I would love to have you a part of the family. And yeah, today I'm going to be doing my wash day and chill episode, which is where I just sit down, do my hair, and chit chat with you guys about any and everything that comes to my mind. So let's get started. Today is going to be a little bit different because I'm not styling my hair. I'm just showing you guys the mask that I put on my hair before I wash it to go from straight to curly. So yeah, I already have my mask mixed up. It is a avocado mask. It has avocado, conditioner, olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and 2 eggs. I have a detailed breakdown of like how much of each thing in the video right here, so if you're interested in that, then check that out. The only difference is that I use the Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair in my hair instead of the VO5 conditioner that I used in that video, but it's all up to you. Honestly, you can use whatever ratio you want. So yeah, I'm just gonna take down my hair, start sectioning it, and put this in and get to chatting. Alright, so I have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections like I always do, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the mask. As you guys can see, my hair is a different color. I dyed it. Oh my god, the shedding is so bad. I dyed it like last week, or about 2 weeks ago. I guess I've had my hair straight for like 2 weeks, but yeah, I dyed it for my birthday. If you want to see the video on that, then it'll be here. But I'm interested to see how my hair looks styled and curly, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so today I kind of wanted to just talk about my dating life, because on my last wash day and chill I talked all that mess about dudes, and then at the end I said that I was going on a date, and a lot of y'all thought that was funny. But I think that's just a testament to, like, I wasn't bashing men at all. I love men. I love black men, and I think it's beautiful to be in a relationship and to be in a fulfilling relationship and to have, you know, friendships with men, all that. Like, I value men very much, but I'm just gonna tell the truth about what I feel like is wrong in the male community, without like saying that, you know, they trash or, like, you know, all that extraness. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch that video before this one. Actually, watch all the episodes before you watch this one. But yeah, I said I was going on a date, and y'all been like, can you give me an update on the date, sis? Like, we want to know, like, what's going on. So let me just give y'all a background about me. My hair is taking a little minute to revert, and I'm getting a little worried, but okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so yeah, let me just give you guys some background on me. If you've watched my channel for a minute, you know that I am somewhat of an introvert, meaning I'm not like an extremely social person. I can be friendly, I can speak to people, I can go out, but only to like a certain extent. Only certain people, you know, people can only get a certain level of me. Like, I don't give people my entire self right off bat, and I'm a type of person where I don't just date just to date. Like, I'm not the type of person that'll just go on a date just for fun or just for a free meal, or because honestly, like, it's not worth it to me. It's not worth sitting in the face of someone that I may or may not be interested in just to eat. Like, I can cook, I can buy my own meal, and I just really don't see the need to do that. A lot of people, like, you know, like to just go on a lot of dates and just do all that stuff, and I'm not that type of person, is what I'm getting at. Like, I have to really, really like you and really, really see something with you in order to let you take me out. Like, I feel like that's like a privilege. Not that I'm just like so amazing, but for me to say, okay, like, I'm gonna invest time in you. Like, that's what I'm saying when I say I'm gonna go on a date. That means I'm gonna invest time in you, and I'm gonna take time to try and get to know you, because like I said, it won't just be on surface level. Like, I just want to get a meal out of you and that be it. Like, me wanting to go on a date with someone means that I want to invest my time in getting to know you and really understanding you and building a friendship. So with all that said, there was somebody that I met that I knew of for a long time, and like, I didn't really know him like that, but I seen him around or whatever, and you know, never really thought much of it. And then one day I went somewhere and I saw him and I was like, I don't know, like I'm feeling like I want to go up to him and speak to him. Like there's something, I guess, just about his presence that made me feel like I wanted to know him and I wanted to explore something with him as a friend, or even if just in that moment just saying, hey, my name is X, Y, and Z. So I walked up to him and I said, do you have a girl? And he was like, no, I don't have a girl. And I was like, okay. I forgot what I said after that, like, okay, like, what's your name? And I think he said it, and I was like, okay, well, nice to meet you. And then I walked away. And he ended up coming up to me later and being like wait, like, what's your name? What's your number? Like, what's your Instagram? Blah, 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 blah. And from then, we kind of chatted a little bit. And maybe I would say like a month later or a few weeks later, we ended up going on our first date. And it's cool. He's a cool person. I feel like we connect in a certain way. And he's cool. We went on a couple dates. And I think as things started to get, you know, a little bit more serious, or feelings, you know, kind of started to like pop in our mind, I think we both in some way kind of got like cold feet about the situation, because it's like, dang, you know, I really like this person. I really want to continue to see this person. And then from his end, you know, he works a lot, and I just don't think he was ready to like meet somebody that was as genuine as I was. And I don't know. And he kind of expressed that to me, that he wasn't really ready to kind of like be all in his feelings like that. I guess he just he had other things that he's working towards, etc., etc., etc. And there's really nothing that I can do about that, to be honest. I think it sucks, like, because for me, I know for my future, being in a healthy relationship is one of the things that I want. So I wouldn't necessarily put off something that seems promising, or like really cut something short before I even really know what it is, before I just for the sake of like, you know, work, or, you know, having other things that they're focused on, because to me that's equally important. Y'all wanted the tea. The tea is that the person that I was going on a date with, we're cool, we're friends, I still like him very much. And I don't like people, like, that be the thing, like, I don't like people. Not that I don't like people, but I don't really find a lot of people that I feel like I like mesh with, like in a close setting. Like, I can have people around me and I can be cool, I can party with people, or, you know, I can help people with their problems or whatever. But when it comes to having a mutual relationship with people, I don't really find a lot of people that I feel comfortable with and that intrigue me. A lot of people are very shallow and just disingenuous, not authentic. And when I find people like that, I kind of cling to them. Dang, it's already been 10 minutes. Wow, that's crazy. And this junk about to it's about to, oh shit. Alright, y'all, hold on. Basically, y'all wanted an update, and the update is that we're cool, but just keeping it platonic for now, just because he's not ready. And me personally, I went through like a bad breakup in college, and that was like 4 years ago, and I haven't been in a relationship since then. And I personally just feel ready to like love somebody and to care for somebody. I feel like I'm in a good place within myself to give somebody something. And with that also comes that I'm also okay with being by myself, because I don't want to force anything. I'm not desperate to be in a relationship or anything like that. I just feel like I can offer somebody something in my wholeness and in my maturity that came from that breakup. I feel like I have something to offer a relationship. So I'm still gonna be patient. I don't meet a whole lot of people here, so everybody that I do meet is somebody that I kind of already knew or knew of, because people is crazy. I need somebody to be able to vouch for you. Like, I need to have like some Carfax. I need recommendations. Like, I really do, because I'm scared of like meeting a strange person and they really turn out to be crazy. So just pray for me, keep me in your prayers. But I don't think I'm going to be on any dates anytime soon, unless it's with the person that I was speaking of, because my interest is really one-track minded. So until something else sparks my interest, and it's taken a long time for that to happen this time around, so who knows. But God got me. I know that the kind of relationship that I want is on its way, and I'm just going to be patient, and I'm going to continue to do me in the meantime. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not rushing myself or pressuring myself, and the person that I'm supposed to be with is going to be ready, and is going to see our potential and see that they need me in their life, you know. That's that one. That, you see my curls coming back in the back, they back here popping or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my head, and then I'm gonna come back, I think, with my hair fully done. Yeah, guess I'll show some slow-mos of what my hair looks like once it's done. Maybe I should do the intro then. I don't know. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so this is my final result from the wash and go that I did after I did my protein treatment mask, pre-poo, whatever. So I washed my hair, I deep conditioned it using my Miche Beauty deep conditioner and oil, which would be linked in the description box. And then I went in with the Auntie Jackie's Cocoa line, which I've used in a previous wash day and chill for my wash and go. I'll also have those linked in the description box. And this is my final result. My curls came back perfectly. I didn't notice any heat damage. I think usually the second time I wash my hair, my curls fully come back, but on the first wash they are a little looser, but I think they're gonna come back, you know, in full effect. And this is my first time wearing my hair curly with my new hair color, and I'm actually really in love with it. I really think it looks good, especially in person. Through the camera, like, it looks a little funny, but in person it looks so good. So I'm happy about that. If you haven't seen the video of me dyeing my hair, make sure you watch that as well. And that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat. Like I said, make sure you watch the previous episodes and get caught all the way up with my life. I thank you guys so much for tuning in and listen to me ramble. To be honest, I don't know why you do it, but you do, so here we are. Make sure you guys leave a comment in the comment box, either about your dating experience, my new hair color, your new hair color, whatever it is, how your day went, whatever it is. And if you are watching my video, make sure you screenshot or video record you watching and post it on Instagram and tag me to show some support, and I will repost it on my page. So that's it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.